right, we're in the surplus store and I'm getting all this MRE stuff, which I've never seen in any other store that I've been to. And I got a whole bunch of food for the van, and we're going to try a bunch of other food. And I'm going to go get a tray as well. I'm going to get a tray. Go get the food tray.
Oh, yes.
Over here, so we can buy some paper food trays or metal food trays just for the whole experience. But yeah, so I've got chocolate pudding, chocolate oatmeal. I've got Mediterranean like rice. This is from like the United Arab Emirates, and then I have the regular American MREs. So okay, cool. All right, so the last thing, I'm gonna get an ammo box, see how much these are. These are, can't even read, $13.99. I want to get a nice ammo box to put my MREs in. I'll have to clean it up a little bit. This one might be good. So something a little bit, this one, they're heavy. Do I really want an ammo box? This one's a little bit rusty. Yeah, I should just get like a small one. This is a great store. This is really fun, so much better than the ones in Houston. What's this up here? It's just random sticks. And then these are cots as well.
Can you get your receipt? Would you like a bag?
Yeah. Disheveled. Okay. And Christmas tree in the background. MRE. I'll do this one. That's beef. What's this one? This is... Okay. We have to eat everything. We'll see what's in there, so... Okay. I don't want to like cut the actual packets open by accident. All right, so we have MRE. This is cappuccino. Oh, these are good. Yeah, we weren't allowed to have caffeine, so they took all the cappuccinos away. Here's the cooking packet. Here are the utensils. Here is smoked turkey nuggets. Here is tortillas, Chipotle tortillas. This actually looks pretty decent. And here's nothing in there, empty. This one is apple pieces and spice sauce, which sounds disgusting. Not a fan. This one is, this is the whatever that is. Whatever's on here. Southwest black beans and beef. And then this one is spiced pound cake. And then we have the deathly constipating peanut butter cheese spread. Deathly constipating cheese spread. And a spoon. And that's it. So now we have to make a meal with whatever ingredients we can put together. So no on the cheese. Tortillas Chipotle is maybe a maybe. Smoked turkey nuggets, maybe. We could also have no on the pound cake, no on the apple. Southwest style beef and black beans with sauce. So it's this inside tortillas. It's going to be messy. And then you could add the smoked turkey nuggets into it as well. So I think that might be the combination for our meal. Okay. And then I guess we cook it in here. We add water and it cooks. All right, so we got smoked, because we can just heat these up in the microwave. Oh, that looks horrible. That looks like turd. It looks like poop. Poop nuggets. I can't even open it. Where's my scissors? That looks disgusting. Yuck. The cookie is actually pretty good. The cookie was good. This looks like turkey turd. Okay, it's a paperweight. Okay. It smells disgusting.
What part of the turkey is that color?
It's poop. Turkey innards. Okay, these don't look too bad. It's got a silica packet. These don't look horrible, but they're very flimsy, so I want to be careful with these. Okay. That smells disgusting. I don't know about that.
I think since this is a informative YouTube video, I think you might need to take a little bite and see if it's rancid or not.
We gotta heat it up.
Well, okay, we'll heat it up first. Well, what about, isn't there another type of goo that goes with it?
Yeah, this stuff. We need a bowl. My MREs just quit themselves. They're like, we're done. We've unalived ourselves. Oh, it smells horrible. That does not smell good. This does not smell good. Whatever that is. Okay. This might not. This is like dog food. Okay, that may not be too bad. It might be all right, actually. Okay. Put everything away in here. Ah, it smells horrible. Ew. Yuck. Okay, that needs to be heated. And that needs to be heated.
I'll take this one away first since you're enjoying the aroma of that.
No. A tortilla's not bad. Tortilla's actually okay. Oh, it's disgusting. We need maybe like two more plates for the tortillas. We'll try one each. And then we'll cry.
This is definitely warm. I'm not sure how hot you want
It
it.
needs to be hotter. So
Does it feel the bowl? You want it to be hotter?
like about 10 more seconds. Ooh, that's good. That's actually not bad. The cookie's good though. I like the cookie. All right. So the cheese sauce is if you want cheese on top as well.
I'll have to check that out.
Yeah. Ow. Can I get a napkin? Like that napkin there so I can hold the plate. Thank you. All right. Dog food. Well, I'm just going to scoop on the beef. Did you eat that?
Well, it does taste like a jerky, kind of.
I think that's probably what it is. It's smoked nuggets.
I mean, they gotta make it so you know it's
There we
not bad. They should make it a pleasing color.
It's very hot. There we go. All right. This is all I'm going to try. Don't think it's going to be terrible, although my tortilla's breaking in half.
Yes, the tortilla might be a challenge.
Yeah. It's like tacos are supposed to fall apart.
Do you want a Fanta with it? You want to try a Fanta with it? Peach Fanta?
Like a Fresca?
Fresca, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a Fresca. And some like Clorox. Like, get this taste
Do
out
you
my
want
mouth.
some glass with ice?
Ice, yes. That's not bad. I mean, it tastes like, you know, like a Lunchable. Not terrible.
Not terrible.
Not terrible. That's the thing too. We'd always get them in the military, and we'd all be like setting ourselves up for disappointment, and then we'd all be sitting there going, "This is good."
It's like Dinty Moore.
Yeah, Dinty Moore, yeah. That's a cheese sauce. All right, that was not bad. If I was in the middle of a war zone and I had to eat, I would eat that.
Oh, wait a minute. You didn't try apple pieces and spiced sauce.
I don't like Applebee's. Slimy texture. It has a slimy texture. Like,
But not a pineapple texture.
it's slimy. I don't like it. I'll try the cappuccino
You
though.
want to try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna boil the water later and I'll try it later.
Oh. Yes.
Should we see what's in this one? All right, the next unboxing is this MRE, which has a bunch of stuff in it. And I also have an MRE from the United Arab Emirates, which has Mediterranean chicken and rice, but I'm gonna save that for the van. Okay, so this is carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder, so it's Gatorade.
Gatorade.
That was actually very yummy in the military, we like that. This is these are the crackers. These are the saltine. Do not eat these with the peanut butter, you'll never poop again in your life. Spin. And then we have, this is, again, more apple slices and spice sauce. Put that on the no pile. Water beverage bag. And then we have, Santa Fe style brown rice and beans. Okay, that's a maybe. And then we have, we have a teriyaki beef stick, a Slim Jim. Snap into a Slim Jim.
Let's see if it's black, like it's Turkey Brothers.
Yeah, like the other one was disgusting. Ooh, chocolate chip chocolate chip cookie.
Oh.
I'll definitely keep that. That one's good. Because this cookie's good. This cookie's actually been pretty yummy. Okay. This one is, oh, marinara sauce and meatballs.
Woo!
Let's do that one. Okay, we'll make that one. We don't need beans and rice. We just had beans and rice in that one. This one is a cooking bag, and then mystery pack. I don't know what's in there. And then we have mocha dessert bar. Okay, that one's a yes for me. Happy, happy. And then we've got more cheese spread with jalapenos this time. That's a you, not me. And then our little utensil thing, which has no Tabasco. It usually has Tabasco. Okay, cool. So I say we do the marinara. Do this one? Meatballs?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to undo the marinara. No, I do not want to eat the poop that looks like poop. It's like, no. Let me see it. Let me take one. I'm not eating this. That's disgusting. I don't care if it's the end of the world. Oh, there goes a meatball. Lost one. One man down. Where's the spaghetti in this? I do not see any spaghetti.
It didn't say anything about spaghetti, did it?
Oh, meatballs and marinara. So what does it go with?
Crackers?
That's the problem with the MREs. They would give you like 4 out of the 5 things you need for a meal. And then you have to negotiate with somebody else to try to get the salsa for the chicken. All right, so I'm going to try the marinara.
Stir it up. Oh, you need your military
I'm going to use a spoon that came with it. Yeah.
Stir it up so it's hot enough. But yeah, I'm not sure how we're supposed to always eat that way.
This is a 1 day worth of food in this entire thing. All that food was 1 day. Okay.
Not just one meal?
Meatball with no spaghetti. Tastes like Chef Boyardee. The sauce is good. The sauce is very nice. But the meatball tastes like Chef Boyardee, basically. You got to dip bread in it.
Yeah.
It's not terrible. I mean, the sauce is actually very nice. The meatball, again, is. Now, if you could get, like, the chicken, or you could get, like, the grilled chicken. But you got this, well, you didn't get saltine crackers, so. But usually you dip something in it, but no bread, so. You just basically just eat this with a spoon. There's nothing.
Or with your beef stick.
Yeah, but that's the problem with the MREs is it's missing one key ingredient to make one meal. So.
Is that like a joke this time?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
It builds character.
Yeah.
Could be missing the spaghetti.
Well, I don't know.
It's not terrible.
I think
Finish the cookies.
we should put a bigger budget into these meals. For our service members.